I got these at the grocery store. They were getting ready to throw them out. No one really took care of them. And they were normally about 16 a piece, so they sold them to me for $4 a piece. So that was like the price of one for 6. So I'm going to take care of these, see how they do, and I'll give you an update on them. Some of them aren't really too bad. And just got to clean them up, give them a good spray here in the sink. Let's see, this one here, they need some little bit of sun, and I'll keep you updated on how they do. And they were kind of root bound too. Let's see. Yeah, they're real dry. Okay, I brought all the Chinese evergreens out here in my back porch. I call this my plant nurse's station. See how a lot of them they're drooping. So I'll come back a little later and show you how they all start. This one's already starting to perk up, and I'm going to trim all the dead leaves off, fix these up, and I'll come back and show you that. And then we'll see how they do. It's been a few days later, and these perked up really nice. It was an easy fix, and I'll also put a link below on how to care for these Chinese evergreen. Pulled off a lot of the dead leaves. Very pretty plants. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye for now.